welcome back to my YouTube channel. So like you can probably already tell by the title of the video, today's video is going to be an H&M haul. I'm going to be showing you guys a few products all under rupees 1500 or 2000 rupees, and they are all perfect for the summer. They are all very trendy and cute and stuff you can wear throughout the summer. So if that is something that interests you, without wasting any further time, let's just get into the video. But before we do that, if you enjoyed this particular video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you like my videos in general, consider subscribing to my channel. So yeah, let's get into the video now. Starting off with the cutest tie-up cardigan. I absolutely love the color of this. The baby pink color is just so cute. I have been obsessed with the color pink recently, and I absolutely love this. It's made up of polyester, but it's very comfortable on the skin, not itchy at all. It's not gonna make you sweat too much either. I love the 3 tie-ups in the front. You can make bows out of them and they look so cute. I got it in size medium and it fits me perfectly. It's a crop top though. I really wish it was full length. In that case, I would love the top so much more. It looks really short from up front. If you have a bigger bust like me, you might want to size up one size in this top. But if the length of the top doesn't bother you, and if how it looks on me looks amazing to you, just go for it in your right size. But as of me, I'm gonna be returning this one because it doesn't look the most flattering on me. Next up is this skinny shirt. It's body hugging, even though it's not ribbed. The clothing is very stretchable and I absolutely love it. It is so perfect for the office siren core. You couldn't have something better for that core. Love the color, love the structure, love the stripe. I got it in size medium and it fits me perfectly. It's made up of viscose rayon, so it's very stretchable. It will fit your body like a glove. It also has extra space for your bust, which is really good. The color is a deep navy color. It's not really black, but I absolutely love everything about this shirt. It's a button-down shirt, but the buttons are hidden under an extra flap of clothing, and the end of the sleeves do not have buttons either. They are pretty long. They will probably come up to your fingers if you are my height, but if you're taller, they'll probably fit you just right. So will the length of the shirt. At the price, it's really good. I adore this shirt. Next up is this mini skirt. This is mostly a low-waisted mini skirt and I really love this one as well. This one is in a base color of black and has stripes in it. I love how it looks on me. It fits me just right. It has the perfect office siren vibe to it. Even though the skirt is a little too short, it also has pockets on its 2 sides. It's made up of polyester, but the material is very comfortable. It's very cozy on the skin. It's very airy and breathable, not itchy at all. You can wear the skirt both as a high-waisted and a low-waisted skirt depending upon how you want to style it. There are also a lot of different ways to style it. At the price, it's a really good skirt. But before we go forward with this video, I would like to talk to you guys about this bag I got from Zouk. Zouk is an proudly Indian 100% PETA approved brand. They define modern Indian classics, and their prints are inspired by rich reservoirs of Indian culture. This is the 6th bag I got from their brand and I love all of them. This is a travel tote bag designed meticulously for your outings. It has a spacious main compartment that can securely store all of your essentials. The inside of the bag is equipped with 2 slip pockets and a zipper pocket for convenient organization. Moreover, the bag also has a quick access zipper pocket at the back to reach for the items on the go, making it a one-stop solution for all of your travel needs. It's made up of a vegan leather. It is a water resistant. The name of the print is Bidri Kesar. Overall, the bag is perfect for whenever you want to go out, be it for a special date, to get your groceries, or if you're traveling far. Next up is this super cute baby jersey t-shirt. I have been loving jerseys so much recently. I have a few tanks and a few oversized t-shirts. I really wanted to get one in a baby tee format and I absolutely love this one. I adore the color it comes in. इसका प्रिंट भी बहुत क्यूट है एंड आई लव द कलर कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ वाइट एंड येलो. इट्स अ वेरी गुड टी-shirt. It's perfect for everyday styling. There's so many ways that you could style this. Baby jersey t-shirts are all over the Pinterest, and if you are in love with the t-shirt and if you are in love with the trend, absolutely get this one. This one is made up of cotton, so it's very comfortable, airy and breathable, not itchy at all. It's very soft and smooth on the skin. I got this one in size medium and it fits me perfectly. It hugs my body just right. This is another cropped t-shirt though. I have been loving longer t-shirts recently. Even though it's really good at the price, I'm going to be returning this one because I have another jersey oversized t-shirt in the exact same color. Next up are these pinstriped trousers. They are again lower waisted. They come with a tie-up on the waist and an elastic. It is very comfortable. It's made up of 100% cotton. It's very comfy, cozy on the skin. It's very airy and breathable, not itchy at all. I got it in a size small and it fits me perfectly. This you can only wear as a lower waisted trouser. You can't wear it as a high waisted one. It has two very deep pockets in each of its sides as well. You can store a lot of products in these pockets as well. And the length of the trouser isn't too long either. It fits me quite nicely. It will fit a taller girl even better. There are so many different ways to style this trouser. I cannot wait to wear it throughout the summer. At the price, it's really good. Next up is this see-through skin tight top. It comes in full sleeves and it is skin tight and it is see-through. I have a few see-through tops, but most of them are in darker colors. I have really been loving the look of white sheer recently, so I want to get this one and it looks really good. This one is made up of polyester as well, but it's very comfortable on the skin. It's very airy and breathable, not itchy at all. It also looks very luxurious. I got this one in size medium and it fits me perfectly. It's very skinny and very body hugging on me, as tops like this are usually. It's see-through, so you'll have to wear something on the inside. This is another top that can be styled in multiple different ways. You can wear it as a basic and layer it with other tops and jackets, etc. Or you could wear it by itself. At the price, it's a really good top, but I don't really need it right now, so I'll be returning this one as well. Next up are these checkered tailored pants. They are more like leggings because the waist is not really something that can be put on. It doesn't have any buttons or hooks or anything. It is just an elastic that you can put on like a pair of leggings. I love the color and the prints of these trousers. It's so dark academia. I love the aesthetic of it. Also, it's very versatile and can be styled in multiple different ways. This will become a very basic, very everyday part of your wardrobe. I got it in a size medium and it fits me perfectly. This one is made up of polyester as well and it's very comfortable on the skin. It's very airy and breathable, not itchy at all. At the price, it's a really good pair of trousers. So guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it and benefited from it. If you have any other video suggestion or request, comment that down below and I'll definitely make a video on that. And I will see you guys in my next. Till then, take care, bye bye.